Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a kind of like review slash advice giving video on contacts. So I will be sharing with you guys some advice, what to do, what not to do, how to take care of them, things like that. So to get started, I'm going to just show you guys how one of the lenses that came in like a little glass jar like this. And this one is by Optimus, Cosmetic color lenses, and I wore these ones before, and they were very, very light, very comfortable on my eyes. This one has a diameter of 15.0 millimeters, and the expiration date is next year. So the expiration date is also very important to keep in mind. You do not want to put anything inside your body that is expired. So what I like to do is put the expiration date in my phone, or if you guys still use calendars, on your wall or whatever, put it there so you know when to throw away your lenses. Always keep your lenses in a contact case like this, and always keep it filled with fresh, clean solution. Change it at least every week. Some people change it every day, but if you're kind of like on a time crunch or money's tight, you can't always afford to buy big bottles of solution like these. I love these ones. These are ones by BioTrue. You can get like a pack of 2 for like $11, which isn't bad. I just buy mine at either Walmart or a drugstore. Very good, very, very good solution for your eyes. So I will leave my link down below for UniqueSo. I am an affiliate, so yes, it's an affiliate link, but it helps out a lot if you open it and buy stuff while using my link. Yeah. There might even be a little discount for you. Discount. There might even be a little discount thrown in for you if you use my link when you are checking out. So, yeah, so click the link. So here are, these ones are by the Sweetie line. Box is a little far away and is not focusing. Some of your contacts will come differently. Like these ones, for example, came in a little thing kind of like this, where it says Sweetie, and it also gives information on the side right here. And when you open it up, your contacts will come in some solution, and you would just take them from here and put and transfer them into one of these. Now, do not use the solution that it comes with in here. Always throw the solution away and put it in some nice fresh solution and soak them about maybe 24 to 48 hours before sticking them in your eye. I've seen so many like try-on videos of contacts where they take it straight out of here and then put it directly into their eye. That can also cause infections, although it does say like sterile on top of right here with the little bar. Always soak your contacts before wearing them. It's just one form of how they come. Some of your contacts may even come in like little jars like this. And on the sides, it'll read you like the diameter and expiration date, everything else on here. Same thing, different form. Like I said, just take them from the jar and then put them into one of these with fresh solution. Now, how to clean your contacts is, it's a very important thing to know, because yes, they do need to be cleaned. Like everything else that you have, eventually it needs to be cleaned. So in order to clean a contact, you would need to have clean hands. Squirt a little bit of your solution onto the palm of your hand. Take your contact lens, place it in your palm, again with clean hands, and do little circular motions, just washing it like this, because just a little bit of a reminder that contacts are very thin, so it is very likely that they might rip or tear. And if that is the case, throw them out. No matter how expensive they were, they cannot be repaired. So if your contacts do have a rip or a tear or just some kind of something wrong with it, throw it away and write your company, and maybe they can send you a new pair, or maybe you can get a discount on the next pair, or maybe they just won't apply to you at all. I don't know. But it is always, a good idea just to try and explain how it happened. But seriously, cleaning your contacts is very, very, very important. So once you're done doing this, you can put it back in clean solution. It makes sense, but a lot of people don't do this. But when you take out a contact to clean it, dump out this solution, clean this and dry it, then put your contact in it and then fill it with solution, or fill it with solution and then put your contact in. But don't, you know, take out your contact out of this solution, clean it, and then put it back in the old solution. That is a no-no. I feel like a lot of this is common sense, but a lot of us just do things without thinking. So that's just one of the things that you are going to need to be mindful of. Make sure you're changing your solution. And also, if you have prescriptions, make sure you're not mixing up your right and your left eye, things like that. Eye drops. Those are very, very, very important when you're wearing contacts, especially if you want to wear them for a long period of time. You are going to need some eye drops. So there you go. Not much I could say, just wear your eye drops. Do not sleep in your contacts, especially if they're, not even especially, whether they're cosmetic lenses or prescription lenses. Sleeping in your lenses can actually, it'll just be very, very harmful in the long run. Sometimes there's stories of people going to the ER because their contact got stuck on the back of their eye, you know, stuff like that. Because when you're sleeping, obviously your eyes are shut. And so your eyes sometimes will flip back. Sometimes your contact will get stuck like behind your eye, you know, weird things. Just don't do it. Then always wash your hands before you touch your contacts. So eye solution is not hand sanitizer. So if I wanted to take out a lens out of my eye, I would make sure my hands are clean before doing so. Even if I'm just taking it out of the fresh solution and putting it in my eye, I would make sure my hands are clean. These little things pick up all kinds of microscopic dirt and all this stuff from your hands, especially the oils, things like that. So just make sure your hands are clean. Always make sure your contact is facing the right direction. I know how weird that sounds, but you will have no clue how many times I accidentally put my contact in inside out. And that can cut your eye, it can burn your eye, and it's just not a good time. So how you know that your contact is right side up is also by, if your guys are colored contacts or whether just clear contacts, it's the same thing. It'll kind of have like this little curve going on, so you want it to be like a bowl. So I'm going to use this as an example. So a right contact, the right side up, would be kind of like bowl shaped. So it'll be like this, just like a little bowl. Now your contact, when it's inside out, would actually look opposite and then pointed downwards, like an upside down bowl. This is the wrong way, this is the right way. And also if the edges just look a little jagged, that also means it's inside out. So there's just another advice thing too. Do not share your contact lenses. Oh my gosh. No matter if you know the person, if your mom, your sister, your dad, don't share contact lenses. Even if you guys have the same prescription, don't do it. This can be very detrimental to health and everything else like that. People have different bacteria, and just some bacteria do not, you know, mingle well with others, and it can cause really nasty infections. Might even cause blindness in your eyes. So please be careful with that. Do not share your contacts. Do not leave your contacts underneath any light for a long period of time. Whether it's in like the bathroom cabinet and your lights are always on or stuff like that. And you always need to check up on your contacts because the solution does get dried up. So if I was to leave my contacts that is fully like submersed in solution, if I was to leave these for a month without checking up on them, I would open this to find them all dried and crinkly because I did not change them. These things are like your babies and you should take care of them. So that's pretty much how that goes. So yeah, just don't share your contacts. Make sure you know how to clean your contacts, and just be careful with the expiration date. Basically, always clean your contacts. I don't know if I said that like 10 times already, but cleaning them is very, very, very important. In solution, do not think that eye drops and eye solution are the same thing, because they are not. Eye drops is for your eyes when they're getting like really dry and stuff like that, whereas eye solution keeps them nice and hydrated. I know that kind of sounds like the same thing, but if you absolutely have no choice but to use eye solution as a substitute basically for eye solution, then so be it. But as soon as you get home or get back, make sure you do put eye solution in there and not eye drops. I guess that can be like a temporary solution if, you know, all you have is, you know, a case like this and some eye drops and didn't pack extra solution. And let's say you're at a sleepover or end up having to sleep over somewhere last minute and you can't find a ride home. That would be an alternative. Just use your eye drops as eye solution. Don't use water, because water is just gonna make your contacts like weird. I don't know how to explain it, but that's not a good idea. Or you can get a little kit like this. Unique So will sometimes send these to you for free, and it's kind of like a little travel kit. If I can open mine to show you guys, that'd be fantastic. Comes with little tweezers, so it's really cute. This is exactly what I use to take things out of like vials like this, because sometimes the contact will get stuck on the bottom and you're fucked. So you can't take it out like that. So if you can basically take out the contact like this, put it in the solution, that'll be fantastic. I love these little things, come in handy so often. Now, if you feel like your hands are dirty, you don't have water around, this is a really cool thing to put in your contacts. So, for example, right here, I would just pick it up with this, have my contact sitting right here, and put it in my eye. Therefore, I'm not touching anything with my hands. And then you have one of these to carry around with you, and it all fits in this. Cute and it's portable, works really well, highly recommend them. Now I do have to get going, so I hope that you guys learned something, and if not, then tell me what else. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.